Alright, okay, which side we take start?
I must start from my right hand side.
So now which work I can do for here?
Now the woodwork, the carpentry woodwork and the stone coated installation. Now we still do here.
Okay, so everything about the roofing of this house and I do and like
Yes,
this.
now we do.
This one fine, well.
Sharp.
Now which kind of material this one I take
So
do?
now shingle black.
Shingle plain black.
Yeah.
Okay, now what in this I still choose?
Yeah, what is it choose with that one? Because if what you see for my recent video.
Okay. Okay, so now I take am because
Yeah.
this one and everybody just like am.
And also that this should go plain black. They always they go with any type of color of paint. So this you won't use for the house.
Don't be
So
lie.
most people they always use them.
Okay. I still now I still do the woodwork.
Yeah, we do the woodwork.
What's the height of this one?
And this house on 19 feet.
19 feet.
Maybe this very first place so now 19. That's one place we have now.
We can come down small.
And the other time we go down could be 18.
Okay.
Because of the wideness of the house.
You see, some persons they like make their house they high well. Some they like make it high.
And it depends.
So this 19 feet when I put on the normal one
the way it's supposed to be because the house of the wideness of the width of this house now 38 feet. Okay. Now it be. So that will fit get without we not get that we not fit see all those gutters we did the house.
Yes. So now 19 feet now they see so.
Yeah.
Make I zoom in and make I show them. How many gutters you carry?
Okay, that's carry 8 gutters.
8 gutters. All right. So yeah, I take them from here. See the gutters. Okay, I'll go around now. Okay, I show them the front.
And the front view.
So this design, as I said, they can this design take.
So we take that as a team knock am. So we take install them. Everything.
That's fine. I'll make I focus on the roofing. Man, I see well. Very neat job. This now the front now.
Yes, and the front view be this.
Front carry design well.
Carry design. Carry 3 design for the front.
3 design.
Yeah.
So now how many bedrooms this house?
Now 4 bedroom.
4 bedroom
bungalow, yeah.
And all these 4 bedroom just come on these days now. They come in different size, abi?
Yes, in different sizes.
This
one now just the massive. Yes, now.
Some they carry more material pass.
Now so someday this one now almost 2 flat material now carry.
Now carry
because of the height and the gutters may still there too.
Okay, so we'll come this other side. And this other side still carry design.
Yes, carry design. This left hand side.
Left hand side.
Carry design. This I carry for design.
This one still carry design.
Yeah.
Yeah. Still carry a lot of gutters for here.
Okay, gutters still the 4 gutters and the design.
How the back be?
The back they very plain.
Okay, the back now plain.
And they plain.
Right. So we're not going to go that back now.
No.
See as a bush through here. But since the back they plain, at least you understand how it is. What you mean by plain.
Yeah.
Alright. This one there. Okay, so this work now. So now I still do the roofing. The woodwork.
Yes, I will do the woodwork.
Okay. Now which kind of material I use for the woodwork?
Okay, the woodwork now Bayasa.
Okay,
Bayasa wood we use for this one. I the owner still choose.
Now you the owner choose. Okay, because different qualities of
yes,
wood.
I did.
So anyone wanna want, look na let Oga know. Everybody get their choice.
Yes.
So this one and a Bayasa wood.
Bayasa wood we use.
And the day quality.
Yes, the real one, the real Angala now we use for Bayasa.
Okay.
The real Angala.
Okay. So how many of these woods stay enter here?
Okay, first of all, the workplace will carry coil at 45.
45.
And that is 3x4. Then the 2x4 will carry 330 come.
Okay.
Then the 2x3 will carry 80 come. Then the 2x2 600.
600.
Will carry come.
And the house carry parapet.
Carry parapet, but this parapet is polystyrene parapet, not be wood one.
Okay.
This parapet is on polystyrene.
Polystyrene parapet.
Yes.
And as a carry parapet, I mean say the wood when go chop will still reduce more.
It will reduce more. And I don't say Bayasa now. You know the longer the way they long before again, and they don't reduce them. I wish I tell you say the long they come with that 16 if we go rebellion now 14, 15 till they come.
14, 15.
So if the quantity not come high, the quantity of the material not come high, no, you come short.
You come short, yes.
So that's why.
Okay. So that would go on do na contract na take do that one.
Na contract.
Okay, na contract.
So
now you handle the
everything.
You don't want to bring her come here.
Yes, I made one.
Okay, because I got to handle contract for those of you now so now one just don't want the stress of how una take transport am from where they buy am, or the stress of whether una go know the quality one or do I know the quality one.
Love it, like.
Just let Oga handle everything because he know the best wood and he know the quality one to use. So this one now, how much na take do the woodwork, sir?
In total, the woodwork now 3,143,500.
Okay, 3,000,000.
143,500.
143,500. So that money cover everything for the
Everything,
woodwork
both the
alone.
woodwork, the labor, nail, everything. So we use.
This one, like how many bag of nails I use for you?
We use it 2 by 3 inches, then 4 inches 2 bag.
Okay. Okay, that's good. So basically, immediately I just do the woodwork and not till now I come put.
And you know your waste time. Let's say now just after 3 days, I'll be 2 days there. I will put the stone coated for inside.
No, so as soon they fall like this, where now the good make people not to delay for. After
And
they
you know,
put the
say
woodwork
rainy
like this.
season now. Rainy season nowadays, if you just do woodwork, suppose we just put you just put the cover around because the way rain they fall nowadays now, you just they fall, you know they stop and it may not come spoil.
It may not come spoil the wood.
I know the reason why this one still be like that because of this poro story because they see new do am.
Okay.
Make water not come
spoil.
I know some as made the come
okay.
make for quick cover am too. So I believe I made the owner just quick run am.
Okay, so that one are for the
woodwork.
For the woodwork. So let me quickly tell our viewers your name and the work you do, sir.
Okay, my name now Sayende Brahma on the work man they do now carpentry work. Anything concerning construction work for house apart from the interior, the aluminium work and the stone coated installation.
All right, thank you very much. So we can also follow us for our new channel for ODC and for Rumble. I will see Edo CBC for there, as well as our Facebook and the Telegram channel. All right, so we'll come back now to the stone coated one I use for you. So now Chingo black.
Chingo plain black.
Chingo plain black. So now how many square meters enter for this one?
Now 585 meters now we'll carry going.
585.
Now
you enter like this. Yes. It plenty, Oga.
It plenty now. Just if you watch most of my video, I just talk and say all houses not be the same.
Yes.
Sunday you see just as you have two flat material now enter. You feel me? So that's why they always try to come check the work to know all the way they put the house and the gutter and everything. So that make can still consume that kind of material. And the house still high also. So that make can.
And you get plenty gutter.
Carry
plenty design. So now let the back now plain.
The
two sides and the front no plain.
The left hand side, the right hand side, the front view, everything
carry design. So those are joint wetin make am
chop
material like that. Wow, wonderful. So now what do I to do that one?
Yeah, still contract.
Okay. So how much is that one cost?
And that one at 4,212,500.
4,212,500. Wow. As you say now that quality of a roofing material, the price was still different.
On that quality.
So maybe not be chingo, maybe use Roma
all shingle. No, not the same thing. All shingle, all stone coated like this. Not the same one. The only one people I know say yes, they different. Now Roma. Okay. Because Roma, they don't quick see Roma. Okay. So the Roma, if you go any company they sell and you they'll need to order them for you. Because people need too much to use them. But all those Milano, classic, bond, shingle, yes, everything na the same amount that they sell all of them. Okay. Yeah, so you'll be. Okay. So let's say maybe a person won't go for low quality.
Low quality.
So
and that low quality no get guarantee. I feel they leak tomorrow.
Yes, no matter. This soup is sweet and money.
Killer.
So you'll be.
And the thunder arrestor when they up now, since
yes, now we put on now.
Okay, now just put on for the draw cable. So the electrician will continue from where the cable come out. Okay. All right. So any quality of material when I want to use for our house, make una let Oga know. Any on our side, they let her know so that you still can do this kind of beautiful work. Now this one now, the roofing work done through for the client to continue from where this roofing work. So, like how many days this one take to do, sir?
Normally they do my work. The carpentry aspect now 2 days.
2 days.
And the stone coated now 1 day.
Altogether 3 days.
Yes, and 3 days. Even the day before we do the woodwork, so rain they fall, but based on see the owner one could deliver.
Yes.
We work for inside the rain for the woodwork. But the don't do the stone coated. So much get like rain not your touch ground.
Yeah.
That day, but you go dark, you go see come out, you go dark, you go see come out. So I just thank God for that very day.
Rain not run am.
Your quick run am. Before the 2, we don't round up everything.
So that is one good thing about Oga Onaiwu work. You know they waste time at all. Sharp. Yes. You go do them, then I'll continue. So that especially those when be say no, they like delay. You know, feel rely on for that one, no go delay. And you go say also use quality material.
Yes.
That one they absolutely guarantee. So I make you appreciate this our view and all that we just dey patronize you.
Okay, I want you to use medium to appreciate this, especially the owner of this house. Too much time can be God bless him. But they give me this work. This period be say everywhere strong. Only the art for person give person trust person give person contract. The house so much time can be God enlarge the pocket for and also use medium to appreciate all our esteemed viewers, basically they view our video. So may God bless all you all in Jesus' name.
Amen. So I will give our viewers your number now, so I thought I will fit still reach out to you, sir.
Okay, my phone number is 070-5880-4444. The my 080-311-3755. The my office address is number 464 Upper Sakomba Road, Benin City.
All right. So they're free to through WhatsApp with that
through WhatsApp, they will two number.
Okay, thank you very much. So Oga phone number, the display and the address they display for the under of this video. So now free chat and for anything concern roofing work, given that the perfect woodwork on and need the roofing work itself of any kind of building, even on a duplex, 2-story building, 3-story building, anyone, they always they deliver. And the rest I should say go use quality material and go delay for a work. So we say thank you, may God bless you and bye bye.